Shopify, an e-commerce storefront software. Whether you're just launching your first e-commerce business, or you've been selling products online for years, you've probably heard of Shopify. First, before we dive into the details of setting up and running a Shopify store, let's pause for a moment to discuss what Shopify is. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that you can use to build your store both online and offline. Shopify handles everything from marketing and payments to secure checkout and shipping. It is considered a one-stop shop e-commerce platform. Shopify is a subscription-based software that allows anyone to set up an online store and sell their products. Shopify is completely cloud-based and hosted, which means you don't have to worry about upgrading or maintaining software or web servers. This gives you the flexibility to access and run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. It is a comprehensive e-commerce web builder ready with hundreds of templates. It is customizable with images, logos, text and videos to complement brand's image. Shopify works by unifying all of your commerce into a single central command center. If you're a Shopify merchant with both an online and physical presence, your inventory and stock get synced so you can manage your stores from one account, on any device. Allows you to sell products online and in physical stores using Shopify POS, point of sale app and accompanying hardware. Shopify POS, point of sale, is an application that allows you to sell products offline. You can sell products at a physical store, trade shows, pop-up shops, or other events in person using Shopify POS. You can accept payments with your iPhone, iPad, or Android using the POS app. Shopify makes it easy to build and manage your online store with these following features. Storefront features. It has 70+ professional themes. With themes created by world-renowned designers, you'll love how your website looks on Shopify. Mobile commerce ready. Your online Shopify store includes a built-in mobile commerce shopping cart. Your customers can browse and buy from your store using any mobile phone or tablet. Work with an expert. You can work with one of our Shopify experts to customize your store from the ground up. Full blogging platform. Publish and categorize articles, create lookbooks, encourage discussion, and moderate comments on your Shopify blog. Brand and customize your online store. Every template comes with its own intuitive settings, so you can quickly and easily customize every facet of your storefront. Edit HTML and CSS. You have full access to the HTML and CSS of your store, making it easy to customize every aspect of your website. Use your own domain name or purchase one through Shopify. Web-based website builder. You can host your entire website on Shopify. Your online store comes with a full-featured content management system. Shopping cart. Free SSL certificate. Every Shopify store includes a free 256-bit SSL certificate. All pages, content, credit card, and transaction information is protected by the same level of security used by banks. Automatic carrier shipping rates. Receive automatic shipping rates from major shipping carriers like UPS, USPS, and FedEx. Accept credit cards with Shopify. You can accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express the minute you launch your shop. You'll get a low credit card rate and no hidden fees. Learn more about Shopify payments. Abandoned checkout recovery. Recover lost sales by automatically sending an email to prospective customers with a link to their abandoned shopping carts, encouraging them to complete their purchase. 100 payment gateways. From Bitcoin to PayPal to Ideal, Shopify integrates with over 100 external payment gateways from around the world. Find a payment gateway in your country. Flexible shipping rates. Set up shipping rates by fixed price, tiered pricing, weight-based, and location-based rates. Offer free shipping. Improve your average order size by offering free shipping to your customers. You can choose the price point at which free shipping applies. Automatic taxes. Based on your location, Shopify will automatically handle major country and state tax rates. Multiple languages. Your online store checkout comes in 50+ languages, and you can always translate your store's theme to suit your needs. Store management. Customer profiles. Learn more about your customers and their shopping habits. Find their contact info and order history at a glance. Customer accounts. Encourage repeat shopping by enabling customer account creation at checkout. Your customers can also check out as a guest without creating an account. Customer groups. Categorize and export customer lists based on location, purchase history, and more. Fulfillment centers. Connect to fulfillment solutions such as Shopify Fulfillment Network, Amazon, Rakuten Super Logistics, and Shipwire, or set up a custom fulfillment solution. Order fulfillment. Capture payments and fulfill orders right from your phone. Send shipping notifications from the post office. Drop shipping. Shopify integrates with apps like Ordoro, Inventory Source, and eComHub, making it easy to set up your drop shipping business. Refunds. Refund some or all of an order to the payment method used. Your inventory is updated automatically. Manage on the go. Use the Shopify app on your smartphone to update your store, manage inventory, fulfill orders, and contact a customer. Email templates. Customize your automated store emails with the design and language you want. Marketing and SEO. Search engine optimized. Help potential customers find your store using search engines. Shopify supports SEO best practices like customizable H1, title, and meta tags. Your sitemap. XML is automatically generated with your products, web pages, and blog posts. Discounts. Boost sales and customer loyalty by creating highly targeted discount codes and buy one, get one promotions right from the Shopify admin. Gift cards. Your customers are able to purchase a gift card for someone from your store, or you can use gift cards as store credit. Google Ads credits. You'll get $100 towards Google advertising if you spend $25 with Google. Product reviews. Engage your customers and encourage sales with the option to leave SEO-friendly product reviews on your website. Sell on Facebook, now called Meta. Your Facebook fans can browse your products and make a purchase without leaving Facebook. Social media integration. All Shopify websites include social media integration, such as Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. Products. Inventory management. Manage your entire inventory with Shopify. Track stock counts and automatically stop selling products when inventory runs out. Product variations. Offer different variations of your products, such as multiple sizes, colors, materials, and more. Each variation can have its own price, SKU, weight, and inventory. Product organization. Organize products by category, type, season, sale, and more. Use smart collections to automatically sort products based on vendor, price, and inventory level. Multiple images. Add multiple images for your products, so you can show off your product from all angles. SEO product tags. Optimize your product pages for search engines with product-specific meta tags, titles, and URL handles. Digital products. Customers can order and download your digital products right from your online store. Import-export. Import or export your products using CSV files or one of Shopify's importer/exporter apps. Unlimited products. There's no limit to the number or type of products you can sell in your online store. Video and 3D support. Add, manage, and display video and 3D assets on product pages easily, all from your admin. Subscriptions. Build recurring revenue streams and customer loyalty by adding and managing a subscription app, all within the Shopify platform. Web hosting. Unlimited bandwidth. You'll never be charged based on the number of visitors or traffic to your store. Email forwarding. When you buy a domain name with Shopify, you receive unlimited email forwarding. Create email addresses like info@yourstore.com. Level 1 PCI compliant. Shopify is Level 1 PCI compliant, so you don't need to worry about the security of your customers' credit card data. SSL certificate. Your online store includes a 256-bit SSL certificate to keep your customers' information and business data secure. Instant upgrades. All Shopify updates are automatic, so you'll receive the latest features immediately, without any hassle. Analytics. Dashboard. An actionable dashboard of your sales, orders, and traffic helps you make the right choices for your business. Product reports. Analyze and gain insight into your store's growth. See which products are selling and which ones aren't. Export reports. Reports can be exported for further analysis in your favorite spreadsheet tool, or can be sent to your bookkeeper or accountant. Google Analytics. Google Analytics works with your online store, so you can track sales, visits, and referrals. Traffic/referral reports. See where your visitors come from and how they found your online store. Mobile app. Order fulfillment. Fulfill one or multiple orders with just one click, making your daily order management a breeze. Mobile dashboard. Quickly see items that need your attention and track trends in your business. Email or call customers. Look up customer profiles and instantly reach out through email or phone. All your data synced with Shopify. Your products, inventory, orders, and customers are automatically synced between the Shopify app and your online store. Manage inventory. Add products, take a product photo, change a price, or manage inventory, all from your phone. 24/7 support. Dedicated support team. The Shopify support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, by email, live chat, and phone. Shopify Help Center. Find commonly asked questions, user guides, and tutorials in the Shopify Help Center. Shopify Experts. Work with a Shopify-approved e-commerce designer, developer, or marketer who can help make your online store a huge success. Discussion forums. Get involved in our community discussion forums and take part in conversations about marketing, accounting, and more. Shopify Compass. Everything you need to know about selling online. You'll find ebooks, video series, webinars, and much more. Shopify offers 3 subscription levels ranging from $29 per month to $299 per month. The biggest differences between these tiers are how many built-in features your store comes with and discounts on credit card rates and shipping, so the right tier really depends on you and your business needs. Try Shopify free for 14 days, no credit card required. After your trial expires, choose a pricing plan that suits the size and stage of your business. Shopify is not a marketplace like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, but a platform that allows businesses to create online stores. So, a question can quickly enter your mind that you can sell anything on Shopify. But it is not the case. You cannot sell everything on Shopify. You have to follow the Shopify acceptable use policy in order to use the platform to create your online store. And this policy prohibits e-commerce entrepreneurs from selling restricted items. These restricted items include, but are not limited to, certain firearms and parts, goods or services that promote self-harm, COVID-19 products that flout the rule for the sale of COVID-19 related products, etc. You can check the Shopify acceptable use policy for more details about prohibited activities on Shopify. Step 1. Sign up with Shopify. Visit Shopify website. Use the sign-up form to create an account. Enter the required details and click the Create Your Store Now button. From there, you will enter in your business email and create a password. This is also the step where you will create your store name. Step 2. Set up your online shop. After you've signed up, you'll be directed straight to your store admin screen. This is your e-commerce business command center. Once you are at this step, you are ready to start customizing your store, uploading products, and setting up payments and shipping. Step 3. Choose a Shopify storefront theme. Shopify has its own official theme store. All themes come with an integrated list of customizations you can make without having to touch a line of code. Once you have your site exactly how you want it, it's time to add your products. Make sure your product photography is clear, professional, and high quality. It is also important to be consistent with your product photography styling and sizing. Step 5. Set up payments. A payment gateway allows your customers to make purchases on your Shopify storefront. The price and commission rate is important, but it's also important to see what features they offer. And the last step is to go live. Before you make your Shopify storefront live and ready for customers, you need to remember to fill out the last important things. These are taxes, shipping. Make sure your shipping options are helpful and varying to customers' needs. And also consider buying a domain name. Shopify does not provide a domain name service automatically. To get a customized domain name, you will need to look at a hosting website or buy a domain name directly from Shopify. Some of the benefits of using Shopify include the ease of use, responsive and user-friendly designs, built-in plugins, and reliable in-house hosting speed and security and SEO advantages. However, you need to consider the downside of using Shopify, such as pricing for the platform's plans, customization challenges, limiting content marketing features and reports and analytics for basic plans, and the inflexible exit strategy.